Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete posts on threads. Maybe you post something that you didn't mean to, or you just want to remove certain content from your profile. So today I'm going to show you how to delete posts on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, to delete the post, scroll through your profile until you find the post that you want to remove. Once you have located it, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner of the post. After that, a menu will appear below, and here, you will now find this delete option. Simply tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to delete the post. Simply tap on delete to confirm. After that, you now have successfully deleted a post on Threads. Now, the post will be removed from your profile. Remember, once you delete a post, it is gone permanently. So make sure that you are really decided that you want to remove the post before confirming the action. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete posts on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete posts on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.